Hi lovely, so I'm having French toast in my breakfast. I really like them nowadays. In grocery store, I also find a very colorful and vibrant silicone teether, but I don't need it now. I will need it when the baby will be 6 months old. We also went to the bacha party because I have to buy a plastic changing sheet for the baby, and here I find the huge giant beer. For my snack and sweet craving, I also used to have the combination of spreading the honey on one slice, and on other slice I used to put the fresh cream, and I really like this combination nowadays. And it also tastes so delicious. And here we went out in evening for outing, and here you can see the beautiful fountain running on the roundabout. And here you can see the greeny Independence decor at the entrance of Fortress. Went to Zakartika for dinner. After coming back to home, we are going to make a quick cake. This is a super moist milk chocolate cake, and there are a few easy steps, and we have to assemble only 3 things. You don't need to mix everything. Everything is mixed in this mixture, and you only need to put the egg and butter into this, and water as well. The instructions are written at the back. So first I have poured all the mixture, then water, and then I'm using the fresh butter. You can also use the market butter and oil as well. I put 2/3 of butter and 1/3 of oil only because I like the buttery flavor in cake. Then I'm going to crack 2 eggs into this. After eggs, I'm going to mix it with the help of spoon, because when I'm going to use the electric beater, I don't want the mixture to come out from the bowl. Now I'm going to blend it with the help of electric beater, and I'm keep blending it until the mixture becomes smooth, fluffy and crumble free as well. When the mixture becomes fluffy and stiff enough, I'm going to stop the blender and clean the plates properly. I have greased the rectangular mold with the butter, or you can also grease it with the oil, and then put some powdered flour on it. And then pour the cake mixture into the mold, and then pop it into the oven for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes of baking, it turned out smooth and soft. One thing more, they don't provide the topping in the packet, so I am using the Nutella. You can also use this as a spread, and it tastes so good. Now for decor, I am using the cream, so you have to cut it with the scissor. The cut should not be really big, so put the horizontal lines and then vertical lines, and beautiful pattern will be made. And you can also make the pattern according to your choice or preference. So here I am cutting the slice from the cake, and I literally can't wait to have this delicious cake. So here I have put my slice and enjoyed my Nutella chocolate cake. And here you can see that Maxi is hiding from the camera. She is always being a camera shy dog. Whenever she realized that the camera is on, she started hiding. Now she is waiting that I open the door, and she just went inside. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog.